presentation of my channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. This is no 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 2, Nedbank Cup semi-final. My brother, how's it?
Hey, Shosho Mapolova. Today I want to take my time to say thank you as a president of GNU, Government of Unity in Football. I want to say thank you to the boys of Kaizer Chiefs. They show their colors, who they are. It's been long, Sundowns abusing us. It's been long, Sundowns embarrassing us. So today we got them at the corner. We got them where we didn't think that we were going to get them. So as a Kaizer Chiefs nation, we are happy. So the message that I want to say to the soccer supporters, those who went to support Sundowns because of Kaizer Chiefs is not doing well. Guys, we don't need you. You must stay there at Sundowns. We are full here. We are tired of you. So if you choose Sundowns, you must stay there at Sundowns forever. We don't want you back at Kaizer Chiefs. So those who are standing with us in a difficult time, in a soccer time, please guys, let's combine again and support the team, support Coach Nabi. This Sundowns team is a dead elephant. It's dead. There's no Sundowns here. Even the CAF, they'll never win the CAF. They are dead. They are used to be held by match officials. Today, match officials was not there for them. They are used to the penalties. They are used to the red cards. Today, the match official was on point. I'm happy for Kaizer Chiefs. Today, in Pitori, we are going to have a party until 6 o'clock in the morning. This one is a history win for Kaizer Chiefs. So, Makosi, like they said, we are going to Cape Town with Pirates. We are going to solve Pirates. That penalty they got the NFNB, it was a fake penalty. We are going to take that one. So I'm happy. Even the people are happy here. So I want to say, guys, let's keep on supporting Coach Nabi in difficult times, in the happy times. I'm happy. Thank you.